What is Git repository update? Let me search. How to update a Git repository from your local drive? Git add, oh, is that it is asking for me to do? Let me try that. It's easy. Focus on the outcome, not the obstacle. We're focusing on the outcome. Meanwhile, that's just like what Goku says, no? And I have a Goku here with me. Kamehameha. Okay, I like this one. See, oh, he always focuses on the outcome. What is it? We are in the next task. Now let me zoom in and let me see what it is asking for me to do. The Nautilus development team started with a new project development. They have created different Git repositories to manage respective project source code. One of the repositories, this was created recently. Maybe I created that. No, yeah. The team has given us a sample index.html file that is currently present on jump host under temp directory. Okay, that is present on jump host under temp directory. The repository has been cloned at here on storage server in the status. Copy the sample this file from jump host to storage server under clone repository, add official, further add commit the file and push to the master branch. Okay, there are a few things that are going on here. Where is the jump host first of all? Okay, here it is, the jump host. And where is the index.html file? It is under the temp directory. Let me go to the temp directory. Wait, okay, it needs a backslash. Yeah, let me see if there's an index. Yeah, there is an index.html file. Okay, so this is new. I have a file in this server that I need to upload it on that one. Okay. Can I search on Google? Let me try. How to copy file from one Linux server to another. Oh, yeah, there is something related to SSH here. Maybe I have to log into that destination server first. Will it require password first or password later? Let me try this command spc. All right, then there is a colon. Okay, okay, let me try. So there is this spc. Which file? This file slash tmp slash index dot html. Okay, is that it? Yes, that is it. Where I have to paste it? Oh, in the storage server, that is natasha natasha at the rate Natasha. Where are you, Natasha? Black Widow, where are you, Black Widow? Here are you. And I have to give a colon, then I have to give the location. Is that okay? Let me try to press enter. Command not found. Now how am I gonna do that? Let me try to SSH there. SSH. Natasha. Yes. BL@KW. I mean, Natasha, can I do this now? CP. I don't know, man. This is something new to me. Can I go to temp? Let me see if the temp is CD/TMP. LS. It is not present here. Oh, obviously understood. Git clone repository, right? Mm-hmm. This was a different one. Copy file from one server. Let me just try this. Do I have to do netcat? No. Search Google. I tried that already. Did not work. Okay, there is someone in the community who tried this. What did he do? Git init, cp index, git add index. Index does not exist. Joe, git push original master. I did the git push original master. The task details are below. Error message does not exist. Oh, they also don't know that. I am under pressure because I already made one streak in which I completed the task and I don't want to fail this one. Just tell me how do you copy index from jump post, man? Oh, it is also saying that the validation is wrong. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Is there something here? Are they also using KodeKloud wala? Not less. Okay, now and let me see. Law. Oh, what it is saying? At first, SCP index file from just jump post to storage server. I tried doing that. No, do I just have to do this? Yeah. I tried doing that. No, SPC temp this to Natasha. I provided even the location. It said SPC not found. Control tab. Sudo SCP SPC. My bad. Sorry. My bad. SPC. I typed SPC, not SCP. Okay, I'll have to exit. Oh wait, Natasha at that STSTOR1. Okay, ST server name. I can also pass server name. I learned that. Okay. This path again. There you are. Let's see if that will work. I'm just gonna remove this extra space for security. Thank you. Password for Thor. Okay. Where are you, Thor? MJOLNIR. Yeah. MJOLNIR 123. UIES. Natasha's password is BL at the rate KW. Permission denied. Why? Do I have to do this in temp only? Like he did? I'll try that then. Natasha's password is BL at the rate KW. This one is done. Surprisingly. Can I SSH now? Okay, let me SSH BL at the rate KW. Okay, it says that it has logged in. What am I gonna do now? I'm gonna copy that index from temp into this folder. How do I do that? I'm just simple cp, oh sorry, not cd, cp slash tmp slash index dot html this thing to where? This thing to here. Permission denied. Let me give you sudo access. sudo cp. Password is bl at the rate kw. Okay, it is done. Let me go into that this location and check for myself. Okay, index is here. Now what do I need to add a commit the file and push to the master branch. Okay, what I'm gonna do here is now git. Okay, wait. Do I have a git here? I don't have. Do I need to do that? Let me check here. Okay, I'm using this website for help. Okay, nothing to feel bad about that. Okay, copy file done. Add commit. Did I just want to know if I have to initialize that. Index is there. No. Okay, I was gonna do this exact thing. I'll just copy it. Hmm. What now? Why that happened? Why did that happen? Okay. I don't even have a git in it now. Let me see. This did not help. I'm gonna search it. I'm gonna go into here again. Okay, he did the git in it. He added it and he did that. Git push original master. I did the git push original master as well. I did the okay, I got news. Yes, this would help. As I do not have this question recently, it would be good if you could remain me full context. I don't see a .git folder here, first of all. So I'm not sure how is it going to get pushed, but okay, maybe it is a bare repository. So ls minus a. Okay, I'm gonna go into official again. It is a normal repository then. ls minus a. Okay, it is a git repository, right? Git add. Wait, let me see git status. Git status. Fatal dubious ownership in repository at this official. To add an exception for this directory, call git config global add save directory official. I'll do that. Now I'll repeat the above command git status. Now I can do this finally. So git add index.html unable to create. Do I have to give sudo sudo ls? Good. Yeah, git statu as git status. Good. I just need to need to commit it. Git might minus m. Let me copy it from there. Add index.html. Unable to create. Do I have to use sudo again now? sudo. Okay. What next? Push. Git push you origin master. Let me just try to push it. No. Remote rejected. Unable to create temporary object directory to official.git master. Do I have to do sudo? Okay. It says it is done. Can I check it now? Confirm it. I hope.